There are many different processes and frameworks to assist in problem solving. EIE's Engineering Design Process, or EDP, was designed to support learners in problem solving inside and outside of the classroom. The process is a set of steps that guide us, or any professional engineer, scientist, or mathematician, through the process of solving a problem. But what do each of the steps really mean? Ask. It all starts with a question. And lifelong learners know that designing a solution starts with asking the right questions. Ask is the beginning of the journey. Instead of "what's the answer to" type questions, try open-ended questions like "how do we find?" instead. Imagine. Brainstorming comes in handy for all kinds of problems. Are there multiple ways to approach the issue? Take a moment before committing to one course of action and examine how you'd like it all to come together. Imagine what you'd like the solution to look like. Plan. Once you've decided on your approach, plan the steps you'll take to break the process down into smaller steps. A simple outline can mean the difference between success and oversights that needlessly complicate our experiment. Time to put our plans into action. Use available materials to build designs and prototypes to see how effectively they work to solve the problem. Improve. Observing the outcome of our tests is the key to the whole process. Continue using the engineering design process by asking new questions, such as, how do we know when we've been successful? Is there something we can make better? Reflect on your test results as needed and repeat the process again.